Welcome back, children. How are you all? Hope you all safe and healthy. Okay, shall we move on to today's class? Yes, today we are going to learn Social Science Unit 2 and the topic is Towards History. Okay, shall we move on? Yes. Okay, let's recall what all we studied in the last class. Okay, so we studied about Stone Age. What is Stone Age? Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. So in the olden age, people were using only stones for all the purpose. Okay, next one is nature of human evolution. Okay, so early man lived in jungle. So they used stone tools for everything and they ate everything raw without cooking. And dogs were their first companion. Okay, later they started inventing fire. After that, they started eating cooked food. Okay, so what is museum? Museum is a place where objects which are rare and used by our ancestors are preserved. Okay, then nomadic life is what is nomadic life? So early man wandered in all the landscapes. They were roaming here and there in search of food and they were eating everything raw without cooking. Okay, this type of living is called as nomadic life. Okay, after that, new stone age or neolithic age. So what is new stone age? In that people used bones, horns, stones, skins, branches of trees and sticks as the tools and weapons. Okay, in this stage of development is called as new stone age or neolithic age. Okay, shall we move on to our today's class? Yes, so stone age is divided into three parts, that is paleolithic age, mesolithic age and neolithic age. Okay, paleolithic age is also called as old stone age. It is 10,000 BCE years ago. What is BCE? BCE is nothing but before the common era. Before the common era means before Jesus Christ. Okay, and the next one is Mesolithic age. It is middle of the Stone Age. So in between Paleolithic and Neolithic lies the Mesolithic age. It is a middle Stone Age. It is before 8000 BCE. Next comes Neolithic age. It is New Stone Age. It is from 10,000 to 4000 BCE. What is BCE? BCE stands for before the common era. Okay, so Stone Age is divided into three parts, that is Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age and Neolithic age. Okay, yes. Next one, we are going to see this. See the picture. You can see three pictures here. So what they have written. So old Stone Age people, they used clothes, torches, tools and weapons. So why they used all these? The purpose of using them are given below. So why they used weapons? They used weapon to protect themselves from animals. So the people in old Stone Age, people were living in jungle. So there many wild animals will be living. So protect themselves from these harmful animals, they were using the weapons. So then to find the path at night. So the night will be very dark. So they use torches light for to go around the forest during the night time. Okay, to protect themselves from winter. So why they were using clothes? So in the winter season it will be very cold. So protect themselves from this winter, they were wearing dress. Okay. The next thing is they drew painting of what they saw around them on the walls of the caves where they lived. So old age people, where they live? They were living in the caves. So what they do? They used to draw everything what they see on the walls of the caves. Okay, this is how the people in olden age they were living. Okay. Then stone wheels. So how they invented stone wheels. Okay. When the stones roll down the mountains, they acquire round shape. Okay, what happened? The stones were rolling down from the mountain, so it was acquiring the round shape. So human observed them, and thus wheels was invented. So how the wheel will roll? It will be rolling in the round shape. So they started inventing the wheels. In the beginning, it was made of stones and later by wood. At first, they made the stone with made the wheels with the stones, and later they made with wood. This was the first scientific invention. So, what is the first scientific invention of human? The first scientific invention of human is stone wheels. So, you can see the picture of stone wheel here. This is a wheel which is made up of stone. Okay. So, first scientific invention of human is stone wheel. Okay. Yes. Then pottery. What is pottery? Making pot. Okay. So, pottery was also one of the greatest invention of human. So, human invented many things. In that, pottery was one of the greatest thing. Okay. The baked pot was strong and looked beautiful. So the pot was very strong and it was looking very beautiful. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. So what they do, what all things, utensils they need for them, they themselves will make. Okay. Stone houses were built. The roof of the houses were thatched with sticks and husk. So house will be made up of stone and the roof of the house will be sticks and husk. Okay. After this, several inventions were made. Humans started living in a settled life. So before what they did, they were roaming here and there in search of food. So after that what they did, they started living in one places, they started building house for themselves and they were started living a settled life without roaming here and there. This was the improvement of the life of the man. Okay. After that, what happened? They started agriculture. So agriculture is important activity of us. Okay, agriculture was an important activity in the history of humans. So they started doing agriculture. They started cultivating crops. They sowed seeds and harvested crops. What they did? They were sowing the seeds and they were harvesting the crops. They found it convenient to live along the river as crops grow well near the river. So what they did? Crops will be growing very nice near the river. So they started living along the banks of the river. Okay. Burial pots called urns have been excreted in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. Okay, what they did? When people died, what they did? They were putting them in a big burial pot and they were what they did? They were buried under the ground. Okay, this is the activities done by the olden age people. So agriculture was an important activity in the history of the humans. They started cultivating crops, they sowed seeds and harvested the crops. They found it convenient to live along the river as crops grew well near the river. So what else they did? Burial pots called. So what the burial pots are called as? It is called as urns. Have been excreted in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. Okay. Yes. Next one is we were studying about Stone Age. Okay. After Stone Age, many things came. So what all that we are going to read now. So at the end of New Stone Age, copper was invented. So in the Stone Age, people were using only stones. They don't know about any other metals. So at the end of the Stone Age, what happened? Human invented copper. What they invented? They invented copper. In this age, both stones and copper were used. So after the invention of copper, what they did? They were using both stone and as well as copper for everything. Okay, for making weapons, for making tools, for everything they were using stone and copper. So this period is called as Chalcolithic age. So copper was invented, it is called as Chalcolithic age. Stone was invented, that is called as Stone Age. Copper was invented, that is called as Chalcolithic age. Okay. So first what they invented? They invented copper and it is called as Chalcolithic age. So after the invention of copper, what they did? Bronze was produced when copper, zinc and tin were mixed together. So what they did? They were mixing copper, they mixed with zinc and tin and together it is formed as bronze. Okay, this period when people made tools from alloy called bronze was called as Bronze Age. So after copper, they invented bronze and that age is called as Bronze Age. Okay, what is that? Bronze Age. Okay, the period when people made tools from the alloy called bronze or called as Bronze Age. So at first they invented stone and that is called as Stone Age. After that they invented copper, that is called as Chalcolithic age. After that they invented bronze, that is called as Bronze age. What is that? Bronze age. Okay. After that what they did? After this human found iron and started using iron tools and weapons. So after bronze, what they invented? They invented iron and for every tools and weapons they were using iron. So this age was called as Iron Age. So after the invention of iron, they called it as Iron Age. In this age, household articles, agricultural tools, etc. were made of iron. So everything they were started making it with iron. So metals were alloyed and tools were made. Okay. So first they were using only stones. Okay. After that they invented copper. After the invention of copper, they were using copper and that age is called as Chalcolithic age. After that they invented bronze and it is called as Bronze Age. After the invention of bronze, what they did? They invented iron. With the help of iron only, they were making all tools and weapons. So that age is called as Iron Age. Okay. So you can see copper, it is called as Chalcolithic age, bronze, Bronze Age, iron, Iron Age. Okay. So what happened after that? What they did? You can collect coin, coins, posters, metal objects, etc. Okay, most of these objects are dug out from the ground. Such objects are preserved in the museum. So in the museum you already saw all the rare objects will be kept. In Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikamedu and Keeladi are the sites where the objects used by the people of the past are excavated. So still researches is going on this side. So you can watch in the television news also daily they are showing in Keeladi and Arikamedu and all. Still many excavations are made and many things used by the olden people were found out there. Okay. So this is called as excavation. Okay. Yes, you can see archaeologic excavation. So you can, this is in Adichanallur, they were excavating the ground and they are finding out pots, all these things. This is Arikamedu and in Keeladi, see, you can see a house itself under the ground. Okay, so these are the very rare things we can find out that are used by the people with their olden age. Okay. Then prehistoric period. So prehistoric period we saw first it was divided into Paleolithic age before 10,000 BC. Okay, then Mesolithic Middle Age before 8,000 BC. Then Neolithic age 10,000 to 4,000 BC. Then comes Chalcolithic age, that is after the invention of copper, that is from 3000 to 1500 BC. Then comes Iron Age, that is 1500 to 600 BC. So what is BC means? Before Christ, before Jesus Christ. BCE means before Common Era. And AD means Anno Domini. What is that? AD means Anno Domini, after death. Okay. CE means Common Era. Okay. CE means Common Era. So you can see one chart here, right? Chart. Okay. The term chronology is used to express the historical events in respect of dates and years in order of their occurrence. So they will mark all the things happened in the history according to the date and time. So you can see the years and all year and the information they have marked here. So what happened in this year, that year and all, they will be marking. That marking is termed as chronology. What is that? Chronology. So you can see here coins and all, how the coins were looked in the olden age, how people used the coins. Okay. Next, we can see this one. So this you can see, it is called as scripts, manuscripts and all. So in temples and all, they would have written in the walls. So the walls will be made up of stones, and the stone they would have written. What they have written? So who built the temple, which year, all the information, which king has built, all information will be written in that. So it will be very useful for the people who study about the history. Okay. So these people, they used to read everything, all these things, scripts. It is called as scripts. So from that they will be getting information about the kings, what all the things they were using, what all the wars they fought, all the information they will get from the scripts. Okay. Then comes the study of coins. Study of coins is called as numismatics. What is that? Numismatics, studying about the golden age coins. So nowadays we are using coins. So in olden age the coins would have been different. The shape is different, the metal used is different, everything is different. So the study of coins is called as numismatics. All types of coins, right from metals to paper, help to learn about the kings and economic condition of that period. So with the coins, what they will learn? They will learn about the king and the economic condition of the period. Okay. Next comes scripts. Scripts inscribed about the king's rule, people or society on rocks and walls are called as inscription. So these are called as inscription. So in that what they will be written? They written about the kings, their ruling, people, how people lived, what all the work they did, all these things will be written in the inscription. So usually they are found on the temple walls. Okay. And then all the evidences or traces like artifacts, pots, coins, ideals, ornaments, weapons, written documents, etc. are valuable sources to construct history. Okay. So how will you learn history? History we can learn only with the things that was we got from the olden age. So what are the things we'll get? Pots, coins, ideals, ornaments, weapons, documents. So all these with these only we will be knowing about the history. Okay. Then we'll see one simple activity here. So what was the food eaten by early humans? So what the early man ate? They ate flesh of animal, green leaves, roots and grains. So they ate everything without cooking. Okay. What did early humans, why did early humans lived in the cave? Why they lived in the cave? To protect themselves from wild animals and weather, they were living in the caves. Why did they eat raw flesh? Okay, why did they eat raw flesh? They did not know the use of the fire in the beginning. Okay, so what all we learned? We learned about Stone Age. Okay, so Stone Age is the period where stones were used as weapons. After that, we read about nature of human evolution. So how early man lived in jungle, they were using only stone tools, and they were having a dog as its pet animal, and they ate everything raw. They didn't cook anything, and after that they were having goat and all, goat, cow as the pet animals. Okay, then they started inventing fire. With the help of fire, what they did, they started cooking, and they were eating cooked food. And what is museum? Museum is a place where objects which are rare and used by the ancestors are preserved. Then they started nomadic life. Life is nothing but, in olden age, people were roaming here and there. They don't have a proper place to live, and they ate whatever they get, and they drank from natural source. This type of life is called as nomadic life. Okay, then comes the new stone age or neolithic age. Okay, after that, what happened? They started, after stone age, what happened? They started inventing copper. So that copper age is called as chalcolithic age. After copper invention, they invented bronze, and it was called as bronze age. After that, they invented iron, and it is called as iron age. So everything they started making with ions. Okay, so we have seen so many things. We have learnt about prehistory, Chalcolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, and Iron age. Okay, student, please go through the video.